Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Brazil ang Japan 100-84. Top performer si Bruno Caboclo sa likod ng kanyang 33 points at 17 rebounds. Para naman sa natalong Japan, nagtala ng 26 points, 10 rebounds si Josh Hawkinson. Habang nag-ambag ng 21 points, 10 assists si Yuki Kawamura. Tinalo naman ng Greece ang Australia 77-71. Pinangunahan ni Giannis ang Greece sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 7 rebounds at 6 assists. Habang si Josh Giddey naman ng Australia nakapagtala ng 9 points, 11 rebounds at 6 assists. Pinataob naman ng Canada ang Spain 88-85. Humakot ng 20 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists si Shai Gilgeous-Alexander para sa Canada. Nag-ambag naman ng 10 points, 6 rebounds si Jaime Pradilla para sa Spain. Panalo naman ng Germany kontra sa France 85-71. Top performer si Franz Wagner sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 5 rebounds. Dennis Schroeder 26 points, 4 rebounds, 9 assists. Para naman sa natalang France, Victor Wembanyama 14 points, 12 rebounds at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of August 2, 2024. Sa Group A, Canada 3 wins, 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Australia 1 win, 2 losses, qualified for quarterfinals. Greece 1 win, 2 losses. Spain 1 win, 2 losses. Sa Group B naman, Germany 3 wins, 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. France 2 wins, 1 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Brazil 1 win, 2 losses, qualified for quarterfinals. Japan 0 win, 3 losses. Para naman sa Group C, USA 2 win, 0 loss, qualified for quarterfinals. Serbia 1 win, 1 loss. South Sudan 1 win, 1 loss. Puerto Rico 0 win, 2 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong August 3, 2024. Maglalaban ng Puerto Rico at Team USA alas 11:15 ng gabi Philippine time. At sa August 4, 2024, magharap naman ng Serbia at South Sudan alas 3 ng madaling araw Philippine time. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.